What's up, everybody? Back here doing the vlog again. Today's video, we're gonna be doing the CRV. We're gonna be installing the roof rack, and today we're gonna be installing the Sidestep. And me and my brother are already working on it. So I'm gonna show you the process we have to do. It's pretty simple. As you can see, he's already working on it right there. Got the roof rack. It's pretty nice and simple. On the other side, I'm gonna show you guys how to install it. It's really easy, and we're gonna be installing the side steps. There's no side steps, so we're gonna be making this car really nice. I was really excited to do this a long time, and I finally got it, all my parts. So here we go.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Alright, so now the other side's done. Let me show you real quick. It looks really good. It's really good. The roof rack all done. Now I'm gonna show you the process of the other side. It's really simple. You gotta take this little trim. It's all clips. See, you gotta take it little by little. Don't break the clip, Kevin.
I'm trying.
Now we're not gonna need all this. You gotta take it little by little. You don't want to try to break it. I'm gonna show you the tips and tricks. Install this. Alright, it's off. The whole entire thing is all trimmed. Plastic.
And clip.
Where you want to put it?
I got it. You gotta take out the clip.
Oh, and this side,
Hold it right there.
you have to take this little piece apart of the plastic, cause that goes at the end, right here. And I'm gonna explain why we have to take this little piece. Let's see. Remember, you gotta slide this down. Yeah, you gotta slide that on. This one.
No.
No?
Right there.
Ooh! Alright. Remember that little piece I told you to take off? Goes right here in the back. Just like that. Alright. Look how flush and clean that looks. Looks OEM. Ooh, shit looks nice. Now we're gonna have to do some cutting, because this whole plastic won't fit on the whole roof rack. So we're gonna have to do some cutting. We're probably gonna end up cutting up to right here, so I could cover that up, so it could give it that OEM look.
Yeah, like right here.
Alright,
Goes in there.
we got it cut. We use a scissor, by the way. We got that cut. I clip it down. Put that under there, look at that.
There.
Look at that. Like nothing happened. That should look really nice. Alright, so now we're putting the screws on. Cause I don't, Kevin, right? You haven't seen no video somebody installing this?
No.
No. So I'm probably like the first one making a vlog. I installed the roof rack.
And it's really easy. It's not even that hard.
And I haven't seen nobody installing the Sidestep. And it's pretty easy. It's not that hard about it. Alright. What is it? 3 volts? You have to put?
Yeah, no, 4.
4? 4 volts?
4.
Alright, so all the screws are both in. Now we're just gonna put on the plastic that goes on these little holes to cover up all the screws. 1.
Very good.
Right? Yeah. Yeah, right there. Nice and flush. One more. Alright, last piece. I think you got it back right there. No, no. No, right there. Alright.
Hold on. Right there.
Right there?
Levanta un poquito, por ahí.
Let me see the other side. No, Kevin. Look, come here. I got this up. You know, see? That's how I had mine.
Up.
Yeah, do the other side like that. Yeah, that looks cool. The car gives it like a little different look. I like the look how it looks. The next step will be the side step.
Yeah.
Yeah? Look at that, guys.
Look at the result.
The results. I like how it looks. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, now we're gonna do the side steps. Stay tuned. Alright, guys. I got them on. We finished them kind of late because I had something going on. But I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the bottom. So it will come with these brackets. It'll come with the screws. This bracket goes up here. And that bracket will go over here. But first you have to take this big ass plastic. You have to take the clips off, pop this off, and then you put this bracket up top of here. And it's pretty much simple as the other side too. Alright, and this plastic right here, you have to cut it in order to make it fit. So you can see, you have an idea. Let's see, so you can have an idea. See, you're gonna have to do the same thing on the other side as well. Put it up. You have to cut it in order for you to put this plastic up top. And I'm gonna show you the other side, how I have it. Once I got this plastic up top here. I don't really know what is this plastic for, but I'm gonna put it on to give it like that OEM look. But it's pretty nice and simple. These kind of took long to put the screws in because the threads inside there are really rusted and corroded, so you probably will have like a hard time putting these screws up there. This one took long. The screws, that took me a while just to put all those screws in because it was so corroded. I'm not sure why, how it got like that. Even it had the plastic on. I was so confused, but I got that done. Once I get this plastic up there, I'm gonna show you the finish, and then I'm gonna show you the other side as well. Alright, got the plastic on. This is how it's supposed to look like. Put the plastic on so you can have an idea how would this go. Now we're gonna start the other side. Stay tuned. Alright, so this other side is done. So you gotta make the holes, but you gotta cut off a big chunk so you can make that fit. So I got all the screws, all the clips all installed. Get the other side as well. You can see the other side of the plastic. Just to give you an idea what you're gonna have to do if you're gonna install your side steps of your CRV. Same thing. Alright, so I'm gonna drop this down so you can see how it looks. Looks amazing. I gotta show you guys. Alright, this is the end results. It looks pretty good. Got the roof rack and got the side steps. It looks really good. Really good. I wanted to make this video because I ain't seen nobody installing this Sidestep on YouTube. So I know this will help everybody who wants to know how to install these. I'm showing you guys like an idea how to install them. It's pretty simple. You're gonna need like 2 people doing the Sidestep, and the roof rack is pretty easy, simple, as you can see. But I got more parts coming in. I got the lights coming in from this and some other parts. Stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm gonna be stancing this car. I want to try to make more videos for you guys. This is for the CRV team. Let me know, comment, subscribe, like the video. Let me know what you guys want to see, and stay tuned. Peace.